we need to improve on. All right, so welcome guys. We're gonna be doing it. Feel free to answer the questions, right? So let's go. It's gonna be in slides. So each time I'm just gonna slide down and we answer the question. But read it carefully first, and we're gonna discuss it as we go along. All right. Why am I not seeing it sliding? All right. Question 1. Which is a prime number?
2.
2, sir.
All right. Very good. That is correct. Why 1 is not a prime number?
Because 1 doesn't have 2 factors.
Awesome. It only has one factor, and that is 1. And a prime number is a number that has
2 factors.
Very good. All right. So good job. It's gonna be another prime number question because it was supposed to be boys against girls, but I don't know what happened to the boys. I mean. So this one says, which is a prime number?
23. 23.
23. Very good. All right. So why isn't 9 and a prime number?
Because other numbers can go into it.
Which other number different from 1 and 9?
3.
3, sir.
Very good. Very good. What about 15?
It is a composite number.
Very good. This is a composite number. Awesome. Awesome. All right. So a composite number is a number that has 3 or more factors. And for 15, it would be 1, 3, 5, and 15. Very good job, guys. All right. Let's look at this one now. What is the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4? The lowest common multiple of 3 and 4.
12, sir. 12.
Very good. If you didn't know how to do it, we can say we add 3 each time. So 3, add 3 to 3, we get 6. Add 3 to 6, we get 9, 12, 15, and then we can go down and try for 4 now, right? So we start with 4. We add 4 to 4, we get 8, and we add 8 plus 4, we get 12. So the first number that comes in both of them is known as the lowest common multiple, or as we popularly call it, the LCM. All right, very good job, guys. What about this one? What is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5?
20, sir. 20.
20. And it's the same procedure, guys. We add in 4 each time. So 4 plus 4, 8. Then we add 4, 12. Then we add 4, 16. Then we add 4, 20. Then we add 4, 24. Then we add that 28, 32. Then we go down to the 5 line. And we know 5. Add 5 to 5, 10. Then that will be 15, 20, 25, 30, right? But the first number that comes, see there, 20, is in both of them. So 20 is considered to be the LCM. Let's move on to slide 6. All right, this one said, what is the highest common factor of 12 and 18? And it give you a hint. He said the highest number that can go into both 12 and 8 without a remainder. What's the highest common factor? Anyone?
Sir, 2.
All right,
4, sir. 4, sir.
Can 4 go into 18 though?
No, sir.
All right, so it couldn't be 4 because 4 cannot go into 18 without a remainder. So guys, when I get something like this,
6.
somebody says 6. That is correct, right? So guys, let me just tell you, if I get something like this in exam, all you do, list all the factors of 12. So first, we're going to list the factors of 12. Numbers that can go into 12 without a remainder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, right? Because a number is always a factor of itself, and 1 is a factor of all numbers. So we go down to 18 now, same procedure. 1 is a factor, 2, 3, 4 is not, but 6 is, 9, and 18, right? So from this group now, we're going to look at the number that has the highest value, and that would be 6. See there? No number is in both, because common, that's what common means. It's in both of them, right? So the only number that is in both of them would be 6 with the highest value. It's going to be a next one like this, because as I said, it was supposed to be boys against girls. All right, what is the highest common factor of 10 and 20? What's the highest?
Sir, 10.
10. Very good. You guys are awesome. So we list all the factors of 10. So it's 1, 2. As I said, guys, this is gonna sharpen your speed and all of that. 10, and then now for 20.
1,
Same procedure. Always start off with 1 as a factor because 1 is a factor. 2 is a factor of all even numbers. And then we check if 3 can go in here. No. So 4, 5, then 10. As we see the 10, we know certain, right? We still can put the 20. Very good. All right. Next question. Guys, I'm going to send you guys a video, all right? So don't worry about it. I'm going to send you guys the slide too. I don't finish with it yet, do you know? Which is not a composite number?
D,
No, call the number.
21.
23.
All right, so someone says 21 and someone says 23. Let us see which is really is not a composite number. First, we need to define what is a composite number. By definition, what is a composite number?
A number has 3 or more factors.
Very good. A composite number is a number that has 3 or more factors. So let us take 21 for example. Is there any other number different from 1 and 21 that can go into 21 without a remainder?
Yes, sir. 7 and 3.
7 and 3.
3 and 7, sir.
All right. Let us take 23 now. So we identified that 23 is not a composite number.
Yes, sir.
Well, we identify that it is a composite number. Yeah. So let's move on to 23 now. Different from 1 and 23, is there any number that can go into 23 without a remainder? Oh, Celia just a come here. Oh, Lord. All right. So that would, the answer would be 23. Very good. All right. So let's go again. Good job, guys. Guys, this you have to concentrate, all right? Don't just rush the answer. Think about it first. Notice I'm giving you the solution also. All right, let's go. Which is not a composite number in this one?
19.
19. That is correct. 27.
19.
Very good. So 27 is a composite because 3 can go in there. 3 9s, 27, right?
Yes, sir.
12 we can say 3 4 is 12, 2 6 is 12, and 6 also is not is a composite number. All right, let's move on to 10. Somebody do this for me. What is the product of 12 and 9?
Sir, 108.
108. Everybody see, oh, she got 108. Product means to
Multiply.
Multiply, sir.
Very good, very good. All right, let's move on to this one. So who can get this one? What is the product of 8 and 30? What is it?
104.
104.
All right, so 8 3s 24, 2 carry the 4, 8 1s 8, and 2 10. So guys, make sure you're practicing a timetable. Very important. All right, what about this one? What does the word sum means?
Add.
Add.
All right, so find the sum of that for me, please.
Sir, 193.
That is correct. The others get it?
Yes, sir.
Why am I not hearing? I'm hearing just one voice. All right, 2 voices. All right, let's move on. So sum means to add, or we can say the total.
Yes, sir.
All right. What about this one? What is the sum of 135, 42, and 6?
183.
You're using a calculator?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. All right, what the others got? You guys add it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is indeed correct. It's the same thing. What is the sum?
Sir,
We add.
183.
Yes, it is correct. 183. Very good. I want everyone to add it for themselves. Very good. Remember, guys, no calculator are allowed. All right, let's move on now.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between 548 and 365? 548, remember, no calculator, minus 365.
183.
Whoa, that was quick. What the others got?
Sir, can you repeat what you were saying, please?
What you guys got? What's the difference?
183, sir.
183, right? So it's 548. And basically we're subtracting, because that's what difference mean, 365, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, let me just give this some space. So ones on the ones and so forth. All right. So 5 from 8, that would leave 3. This is not the right thing that I'm using. You know. I'm gonna send you guys. I'm gonna convert it to PDF and I'm gonna do the solution. All right. This is kind of
Yes, sir.
yeah, this is kind of messed up. All right. So on to the next one. What is the difference between 668 and 485? I want everyone to work it, all right?
183.
Yeah, in afternoon, so she using that.
Oh, can you do the answer so fast?
I'm wondering the same thing. I guess she's been practicing. So 668 And the difference between 668 and 485 is actually 183 also. All right, so let's go down to this one now.
183.
All right, very good. I love that you work it out yourself. You don't listen to anyone, right? Because I want all of you to work it for yourself. All right, let's move on to 16 now. You're gonna choose a letter. What is the prime factorization of 24?
Sir, D.
D, as in dog?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
D.
Someone says A?
No.
30 is the answer.
D,
I said D.
as in dog. Okay. All right,
Yes.
so let us check it. So 2 2s, 4, 2 4s, 8,
Is
and 3 8s, 24.
24.
Very good. Let us see if somebody had choose C, if it would have worked out. 2 times 2, that is 4.
Sir, A is the answer. A is the answer.
All right, so someone say A is the answer. Let us discuss it. The person that said D says B versus A. Let us examine both of them and see if it is correct, right? Alice, just a join? Oh my God. Putting me a video it. Can send the video to Alice. All right, so let us discuss. Someone says A. So it's A versus D. Both of them, if we multiply them, will give us a product of 24. Let us check that first. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 4 is 24. However, with prime factorization,
Oh, it's B, sir.
you can get
Because it's prime numbers in it.
exactly prime numbers only, and 1 is not a prime number. So D is indeed correct. Very good. Good job, guys. That was real quick. Let's look at this one now. What is the prime factorization of 36?
Sir.
Sir, the answer is C.
The answer is
C.
C.
All right, someone says C and someone says D. So we're gonna
No,
examine
sir,
both of
C.
them.
I said C.
Oh, C as in cat. Okay, I thought I said D. All right, it is indeed C. So we break up this, we can say 6 times 6, 36, and 2 times 3, and 2 times 3. We'd have done this in class, so I'm not surprised that you guys get this so quick. So it is indeed C. Very good. Welcome, Thalys. I think you guys should take out your pencil now and work out this. I didn't set them extra hard because I thought it would be like a boy versus girl something, and I wanted everyone to it was supposed to be a speed thing. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna come back and we're gonna make it more interesting. All right, what is the value of a half plus 3/4? Anyone working that out?
Yes,
What is the
sir.
value of a half plus 3/4? Work that out, guys, and then you see the answer.
Sir, I'm not seeing it.
You're not seeing the board?
No, sir.
No, you're not seeing the guys, you're not seeing the screen? I'm not sure. It says I'm sharing screen. I'm gonna go up back on the previous slide. You seeing that now?
Yes, sir.
I look again. You see that one now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the value of a half plus 3/4?
Is it B?
B,
1 1/3?
1 1/3. All right. We're taking our answers and then we discuss it, Any other answer? Oh, I hear you guys working. All right, work it out.
Sir, it's D.
D as in dog, 1 3/4.
Yes, sir.
And you're certain.
Wait, no, sir.
I choose B.
B as in bat. All right, 1 1/3.
Let me check again, sir.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna send you guys a video with these work solutions because it's a slide. I cannot be able to manipulate certain things on it. But I'm gonna fix that.
Sir,
Go ahead.
I'm not seeing the screen.
How come?
Sir, 1 1/4. C as in cat.
C as in cat. All right. Anyone else want to give
Yes,
their
sir.
opinion?
1 1.
Don't forget to mix fraction.
All right. So the winner is C, cat, 1 1/4. Think about it, guys. If you have a half,
Yes,
right?
sir.
If you have a half
Yes.
and you have 3/4, right? Think about it. If you take a quarter out of the half, that will make it a whole, right? So this will give us 1 and we left with a quarter here. But I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna do a video sending you guys the solution. All right, I'm gonna do the solution for this slide. So it is indeed C, 1 1/4. Good job. Some person says 1 1/3. Remember, if you are adding, we find the what? The lowest common multiple. We find the lowest common multiple of 2 and 4, which would be 4, and 2 into 4 would be 2. And then we say 4 into that was 1 and that 3. And we add it and we get 5/4. And 5/4 is the same as a quarter. But I'm going to send you guys the solution. Let's look at this one. What is the value of 2/3 plus a quarter? So guys, when you're adding and subtracting a fraction, you must bring them to a common denominator. So you guys go ahead and do this one. It says we have 8 minutes.
Sir,
Yeah.
B.
B as in 11/12.
Yes, sir.
All right. What about the others? What the others got?
I choose A.
A, 3/7. All right. What about the others?
Give me a minute, sir. Don't say the answer yet.
All right. I won't. Hello? No, I finish class in 10 minutes. All right.
Sir, I got the answer.
What is it? What is it?
B, sir. B as in bag.
All right. So it's 11 over 12. All right. It is indeed correct. 11 over 12. As I said, guys, we must bring them to a common denominator. So what's the common lowest common denominator of 3 and 4? That would be 12, right? And then
Yes,
you say 3 into 12 goes 4 times. I'll multiply by the numerator. So it will be 2 times 4, which is 8. And then 4 into 12 goes 3 times. 3 ones 3. It will be 3 plus 8, which is 11 over 12. The person that says 7, and I'm sure over 7, I know exactly what you did. They said 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 4 is 7. But that's not when we do fraction and we add in and subtract it. We must bring them to a common denominator. So I'm gonna be reviewing that topic. You guys kind of struggle a bit on fractions. Some of you did join class late still. I'm gonna review it, all right? This one now, find the equivalent fraction of 3/4.
Sir, 6 over 8.
Oh, you got it. Let's share with your classmate.
Both of them by 2.
Very good. So we can multiply each by 2. So 3 times 2 is 6 and 4 2 is 8. Remember with equivalent fraction, when we break them down to its lowest terms, both must be equal in value. So 6 over 8 is the same as 3/4. Let's see if you guys can finish in 5 minutes. According to our clock, we have 5 minutes and 54 seconds. All right, let's go. What is the equivalent fraction of 2/3? Let me just scroll down so you guys can see the other option. Equivalent fraction of 2/3. Which of these fractions, when you break it down to its lowest terms, is equivalent to 2/3? Go, guys.
6 over 9.
6 over 9. Oh, you got that. You want to share?
Multiply them by 3.
Multiply both by 3. So 2 times 3, that is 6. And 3 3s 9. Awesome job. Awesome. So it is indeed 6 over 9. Or you could break down the options, guys. 6 divided by 2, that's 3. 10, you'll get 3 over 5 for this. And you do the same thing for this. Well, this couldn't break down any further. This would equal to a half. So you just break them down and see which one of them would give you 2/3. All right. Whoa, that one here tricky now. Arrange rank in ascending order. What does ascending mean?
Smallest to largest.
Smallest to largest. So watch which of these would be the smallest fraction, then the middle one, then the largest. Go. Oh, I didn't have any letter on this. Oh Lord. Which should be the order of ascending? Can't say A, B, C same way. I will know which one it is. So we have 2/3, a half, and 3/4.
Sir, C.
C.
Go up, please.
So yes, it would be C, a half, 2/3, and 3/4. And guys, when you're doing ascending order and fractions, we bring them to a common denominator, and then we divide each one of them, and the one with the lowest value would be the lowest. But I'm gonna send you guys a video. Some of you guys did not join class as yet, but we were going through this. I don't know. Oh, your parents take so long to find me now, guys. All right, this and another one. Arrange in ascending order. Remember, this was supposed to be a competition. So that's why I have both of the same thing following each other. So rank in ascending order.
Sir, can you go down a little bit?
I don't think the answer today, I think I made an error with this. Hold on. I'm looking and I don't see the answer.
Sir, it says descending order.
Oh, descending. Oh.
3 over 4.
Yeah.
Over 10, 1 over 2.
Very good. I didn't realize it was supposed to be descending. I was assuming that it was ascending. Very good. So the descending means from the largest to the smallest. All right, we have a few more to go. Let's see if we can get it in time. What is 20% of 50?
Sir, is it 40?
No, it's not 40. 20% is the same as dividing by 5. Because you can say 100 divided by 20 give you 5. So it's same
Sir,
as,
it's 20.
it's actually 10. But I guess we have to go review this. I didn't expect you guys to struggle a bit on this. Look at this one now.
Sir,
What
it's
is,
10.
yes, it's 10. Very good. All right. What is 10% of 40? We have 1 minute leave. Let's see if you guys can finish this and 26. It's up at 27.
Sir, I'm not seeing the screen.
You're not? How come? What is 10% of 40? You seen it now?
Sir, the answer is A.
Oh, sir.
A, which is 4. Very good.
A.
So, A. Guys, you're going to review this though. Very good. Ah, this one. Why am I put that one? All right. John got 3 out of 5 on a test. Calculate John percentage. 3 out of 5. We have less than 1 minute, guys. Push yourself. Push yourself. 3 out of 5. What percentage would he get?
60%.
60%. Very good. Awesome job, guys. Awesome. It's gonna close because we have less than 1 minute and class actually finished exactly 12. So thank you guys so much. I will be sending you guys a video. You guys were awesome.
Sir, will
Awesome.
you be sending us a video on percentage?
Yes, I will be doing that. And we're gonna review fractions. You guys are a bit slow on the fraction.